Welcome back, dear students. Today we are going to see the pros Learning the Game by Sachin Tendulkar, the famous cricketer. In the previous video, we have seen the gist of the pros. Today, let's deal with the pros in detail. Let's see about the author. Sachin Tendulkar was born on 24th April 1973 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. He made an impact in cricket from a very early age. The world famous cricketer has set many records in his career, and he is considered as one of the greatest batsmen of all times. He retired from cricket on 16th November 2013. Here, Learning the Game is an extract from his autobiography, Playing It My Way. Now let's move into the lesson. From a very early age, I played tennis ball cricket with my colony friends. I loved watching cricket on television and in our games. I often tried to emulate the mannerism of my favorite players, Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Vivid Richards. But it wasn't just the batsman that I studied, I also loved bowling. Throughout my career, I have actually bowled a lot in the nets. Here he says he had favorite players. Who are they? They are Sunil Gavaskar. He is an Indian cricketer and West Indies legend named Vivid Richard. He loved this two person very much. I was then studying in the New School Mumbai, but my brother Ajit knew that compared to other schools in Mumbai, Shadashram Vidya Mandir, where Ramakant Achrekar sir was the cricket coach, gave due importance to the cricket. He ran summer camps too. Ajit one day took me to the camp to get trained under sir. Who is the sir here? Achrekar. He is the cricket coach. Anyone could come for a trial at the camp. But then it was up to sir to decide who to accept. I was 11 years old then. At that time, Sachin was 11 years old. Achrekar sir, as I referred to him, started playing cricket at the age of 11 in 1943. Here, the Achrekar sir also started his career in the age of 11, which is the age I was when I went to him for the first time. So Sachin age also 11. So he was impressed by him. I had never batted in the nets before and felt somewhat overawed. Overawed means nervous because this is the first time he is going to bat inside the nets with so many people around. When I was asked to bat, I was not at all comfortable. Who was not at all comfortable? Sachin. With sir watching me so closely. Who is the sir here? Achrekar, the coach. I failed to make an impact. Sir called Ajit aside and informed him that I was perhaps too young to make the camp and suggest that he should bring me back when I was a little older. My induction into the Mumbai cricket circuit could have ended in failure, but for Ajit's insistence. But Ajit speak for Tendulkar, and then he asked the sir to do once again. Having seen me played in the colony, Ajit knew I was capable of performing far better than I had done in front of Achrekar sir. He explained that I was nervous and asked sir to give me one more opportunity. However, he suggested that while doing so, sir should pretend to go away and then watch from a distance. Sir agreed. Before long, I was asked to bat again, and without Sir's train eyes scrutinizing me, or so I thought, I felt more at ease and soon started to hit the ball well. This time, Sir agreed to let me join the camp. I was delighted, and I must say it was an opportunity that transformed my life. Here, scrutinizing means to look at something carefully. So, transformed means change his life. The camp involved a session every morning and evening at Shivaji Park. I would practice between 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. in the morning. Then I would come back in the afternoon and practice till late evening. The schedule was rigorous and I would be exhausted by the end of the day. Traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from my house in Bandra, and I had to catch an early morning bus to make it on time. Here, rigorous means extremely tough. Exhausted means very tired. For the first few days, Ajit accompanied me to get me used to the routine. During the bus journeys, he would talk to me about the nuance of batting, and I always enjoyed these conversations a lot. In fact, the one thing that I had kept with me all my career is a note that Ajit gave me containing some thoughts about batting. It served as a very personal coaching manual. As a child, I had only one set of cricket clothes, and the routine was to wash them as soon as I would return from the morning session. While I had my lunch, the clothes would dry out in the sun and I would wear them again in the afternoon. The pattern was repeated in the evening so that I could use the set of clothes the following morning. The system worked well, apart from my pockets. There was never quite enough time for the pockets to dry out completely. His pockets is always wet. And for the entire duration of the camp, I played with wet pockets. For the whole day, he used to play with the wet pockets. By the middle of the summer camp, Sir had started taking an active interest in my batting at the end of 2 months. Informed Ajit that I had the potential to be a good cricketer if I practice all year around. What the sir said to Ajit, if he is practicing well all the year, he had the potential to be a good cricketer. This made him happy. However, my school, the New English School in Bandra, did not have cricket facilities, and Sir was keen for me to change school if I want to pursue cricket seriously. Pursue means continue, follow the cricket very seriously. So he need to change his school to Sadasram Vidya Mandir. This was said by his coach Achrekar. Okay, students, the next part will be continued in the next session. Don't stop chasing your dreams because dreams do come true, says Sachin Tendulkar. Thank you.